Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your GoDaddy website using DropInBlog. So once you're logged into your GoDaddy account, on the left side menu, find and click on Website. In the website page, you'll see your existing website and click on Edit Website over here to go to your website editor. This is where you'll be able to create a new page on your site, which will eventually be your blog page. So to create a new page, on the menu here on the right, next to navigation, click on the plus icon to add a page. Then under Add a New Item, make sure that you've selected to add a new page. Under Page Title, name your page however you'd like. We'll make ours simple and straightforward by typing in blog. Also make sure that the Show and Navigation option is also toggled on, so your new page will have a link on your site's navigation menu. Once done, click on Create Page over here, and you'll see the preview of your new page here to the left. Basically a bare page with just a header and a footer. You'll see here that it says this page is empty, and you'll be able to add a section, which you'll need to do. So click on Add Section here. In the slide out menu, on the search bar, type in HTML. Once the HTML element appears, click on Add right here. Now to the right is where your HTML element settings will appear. Here, edit your element's title. Name it however you want. We'll type in blog to be simple. Under custom code here is where you'll need to add your code that you'll have to get from your DropInBlog account's code and layout page, which we have here open in a new tab. In your DropInBlog account's code and layout page, under blog code, under step 1, click on copy code here to copy your first line of code. Then go back to your GoDaddy site editor and paste your code here under custom code. Then do the same for the second line of code. Go back to your DropInBlog's code and layout page, though this time you'll have to click on copy code under step 2. Then simply go back to your GoDaddy site editor and paste the code right next to the first one you added earlier. And then click on Done up here. Now you'll see a preview of your blog page here to the left. And what to do next is to publish your site. To publish your site, click on Publish here on the upper left. And this pop-up window will appear. Choose where you want to publish. We'll choose to publish with a free GoDaddy URL, then click on Save and Publish. Next, you'll need to copy your new blog page link and add it to your DropInBlog settings page. When this pop-up window appears with your new site link, click on View Site to check your site out. Your site will open up in a new tab, and it's looking good. Now click on Blog in the navigation menu to go to your new blog page. The new blog page is also looking great. Let's copy the blog URL up here in the address bar. Then in your DropInBlog settings page under blog URL, paste the blog URL you just copied. Then click on Save All Changes. And that is how you add a blog to your GoDaddy website using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!